But we'd like to send you a special message for our 15-year anniversary. QuickTrick products have been proudly manufactured in the USA for over 15 years. We're trusted by racers, fleets, and the military, and built by a family of gearheads who care as much about vehicles as you do. We are industry award-winning with tools in over 100 countries and a track record that proves QuickTrick stands the test of time. Through it all, we've held our prices steady, manufactured in the USA, and this is because we believe gearheads deserve tools they can count on. We don't cut corners, and we don't compromise quality. QuickTrick has never been just about alignment. We've always been about giving back. Through QuickTrick Cares project, we've supported veterans, kids, fellow gearheads, and the future of the industry we all love. For us, this has always been about more than tools. It's about pride in what we build, pride in who we serve, and pride in staying true to our roots. So when you're deciding what to use on your daily driver or your passion project, consider QuickTrick as your go-to. Quality, award-winning, community-driven, and proudly made in the USA with a 15-year track record you can trust. We thank you for all of the support and memories and look forward to many more. If you don't know us, check out our SMS quiz contest. Win some prizes, get to know us. If you're already part of the family, do us a solid and share with a friend. Thank you once again for the many years, Mr. and Mrs. QuickTrick, even though he's just in the background. Thanks a lot.